Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In my last video, I had mentioned I am in Kerala for my internship and practicals, and that phase is going on right now. Honestly, these days have been really hectic from morning till evening. It's all about classes, writing records, studying, and by the time I get a little break, I'm exhausted. Because of that, I hardly get time to take proper vlogs or even cook the way I usually do. Everything feels a little rushed, a little different from my usual routine. But in the middle of all this, there's something I feel really grateful for. My parents in law, they are with me, and their support. I don't think I can put words enough for this. Whenever I sit down to study or when I'm busy with my practical record work, they quietly take care of everything else, especially Lian. To be very honest, managing studies and a little child at the same time, it's not easy at all. And I think every mother who has small kids will understand this feeling. It's like constantly balancing between a mother and chasing something I truly wanted to do. And then there's another thing. Usually, when I come to Kerala, I spend a lot of time at my parents' place, just like before, relaxed, slow, peaceful. But this time, it's not the same because of my schedule, carrying all of my books, my notes, and Leon's things.
Bye.
Traveling back and forth, staying just for a couple of days and returning again, it becomes really difficult. I think any mother will agree. Traveling with a small child, even for a short day, it feels like moving an entire house. So this time, I chose to stay in one place. Not because I didn't want to go home, but because I knew this would make things a little easier and manageable. Sometimes the choices we make are not the easiest ones, but the ones that help us move forward. I'll try my level best to capture small moments in between and bring them to you all whenever I can. One day I decided to go spend some time with my parents just from morning till evening. My father had come to pick me up, and somehow that small moment itself felt so special. Doing nothing extraordinary, but just being around them. And lately, I've been thinking a lot about something. Our parents are getting older, but when I look at them, I don't always see age. I see how active they still choose to be. They don't just sit at home and pass time. They go out, they meet people, they stay connected.
വെറുതെ ഉപ്പിട്ടാണ് തിന്നല്ലേ
Now, while I was there, my mom was preparing something really special. It's a dish that's quite similar to a halwa, but it's made using arrowroot powder. I'm not sure if it has another name. This used to be one of my absolute favorites as a child. I still remember those evenings when my mother would make this as a snack just before my father came back home from work. And once he arrived, we would sit together and have it quietly. Those small moments, they felt so normal back then, but now when I think about it, they feel special. I think arrowroot powder is not something very common now, especially if it's organic. It's quite expensive and not easily available. My mom had actually saved some just to make this when I come home. The preparation is quite simple. You mix arrowroot powder with water, a little salt, add some jaggery syrup or melted jaggery that has cooled down. You can add grated coconut or even small coconut slices for texture. Then a few cashews for that extra crunch. And then everything is stirred on a low flame. Gradually it thickens and turns into this soft, smooth, halwa-like consistency. You just have to let it cool down and then it's ready to eat. Simple but filled with so many memories. It's really hot here and the humidity, it just drains you completely. So we're quickly preparing a lemonade, something quick and refreshing. And this is actually such a great idea my mom had. She had already squeezed lemon juice and stored it in ice cube trays. Especially in this kind of weather, it makes things so easy. No need to squeeze lemons every single time. Small things, but they make life so much simpler. And with that, that's all for today's video. I know it's just a collection of little moments, but I hope you enjoyed these small snippets from our life. I'll see you again with another video very soon. Until then, take care everyone. Bye-bye.